Welcome back to BESTCARE Forum. Stay with us.
I'm Manali and I'm a physiotherapist.
Hi, I'm Swapnil. I'm an amputee. If you are a recent amputee, compression therapy is really important. You could use compression socks, compression bandages, or a compression liner. Today, I'll demonstrate how to apply compression therapy using a compression liner. While using a compression liner, you make sure no air is trapped between the liner and the skin of your residual limb. You want the liner to be as close and completely in contact with the skin of your residual limb. Compression liner is quite tight but still comfortable and doesn't cause me any pain.
The liner needs to be washed daily for hygiene purposes. Make sure that you keep moving the residual limb while the liner is on. You can remove it after a few hours and keep it open for 30 to 40 minutes to allow air circulation. No matter which method you use for compression therapy, make sure that you do not feel pain at any point of time. If you are experiencing any pain, please visit your physician.
It is very important that you apply compression therapy regularly. It is actually preparing your stump for your first prosthetic fitment and is crucial towards shaping your stump.
With BESTCARE Forum, we will be always more than happy to show you from the beginning which treatment to take, which components will be the best for you, and we'll share with you the experience of other patients that you will know that you are not alone. We are with you as a professional medical team, and we are well trained to help you to go back for the new life, to be happy with your family, to be successful, and to enjoy your life. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for being with us. Love to see you again very soon. Thank you.